Hey friends, if you wish to fix Valorant Error Code 39 on your system, then the procedure is very easy. Search for the word services in the Windows search bar and open the services window. Now in the service manager window, scroll down to the service named virtual disk. This list is in alphabetical order, so it will be easy to find the service. Double click on this service, change the startup type to automatic, click on start, wait for a few seconds, click on apply and then on OK to save the settings. After this, try relaunching Valorant. It will work, but if it doesn't work, then you can try the second solution. Double click on the VGC service, change the startup type to automatic, click on start, wait for a few seconds for the service to start, click on apply and then on OK. I hope this was helpful, and if this was helpful, then please feel free to subscribe to the channel. Else, let us know in the comment section, we will investigate further. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.